Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to our first episode on how to program C++. Now before we get into the actual coding part of this lessons, I would like to quickly and briefly talk about what exactly C++ is and why we should use it. So what is C++? Well, C++ is an object-oriented low-level standard programming language. As a low-level language similar to and compatible with its predecessor C, C++ can generate very efficient and very fast programs. It is often used to write games, graphics software, hardware control software, and other applications where performance really counts. As an object-oriented language, C++ has the power and extensibility to write large-scale programs. C++ is one of the most popular programming languages for all types of programs. Most of the programs you use on your PC every day are written in C++, or the subset, which is the C language. The language was updated 3 major times in 2011, 2014, and 2017 to C++11, C++14, and C++17. So now that we know exactly what C++ is, we also need to know a couple of reasons why we use C++. So number one is C++ is one of the world's most popular programming language. And C++ can be found in today's operating system, graphical user interfaces, and embedded system. And because C++ is object-oriented programming language which gives a clear structure to programs and allow code to be reused, lowering development cost. Also, C++ is portable and can be used to develop applications that can be adapted to multiple platforms. Well, C++ is fun and easy to learn and is close to C# and Java, so it makes it easier for developers from C# or Java background to switch to C++ or vice versa. So I just wanted to say this. You shouldn't be frustrated or demoralized if you don't quite understand C++ from the beginning, because almost everyone has it like that from the beginning. So as you follow me along in these lessons, you will learn C++ and become familiar with it, and it will sort of like become your second in nature if you do actually practice it. So I hope you guys will enjoy these lessons. I don't really have anything to talk about when it comes to introducing C++. I think I did actually cover most of it. So in the next episode, we will go through how you could program your first C++ program. So I hope you guys enjoy this episode and see you guys in the next one.